Remember how we showed you how to make fried tempeh in another video? And tempeh is soybeans that have been cooked, and then you add the Rhizopus ogliosporus, that fermentation, to it, and it goes into a cake like this. Well, I'm going to show you how to make a very flavorful vegetarian, vegan, full of protein dish. And I'm going to start, I have 2 packages, so this is a double recipe of fried tempeh that I already fried in this skillet. And now I'm going to make a sauce, and then we're going to braise the tempeh in the sauce. And the sauce starts just like this. I have 1/3 cup of water, and I have some miso right here, and I'm going to make the miso dissolve in the water like that. And then I'm going to start adding these wonderful flavors here. The first one is mirin, which is a sweet cooking wine. Here it goes. And then I have toasted sesame oil, another really strong flavor, and that goes in. This is tamari, which is soy sauce. That goes in. Soy, soy, soy. And then I'm going to put some sweetener in. I have brown rice syrup. I often substitute maple syrup in this, or honey. Any of them will do. The honey is a little sweeter, the maple syrup sweet, and the rice syrup is a little bit sweet. And then the last thing that goes in, another really strong flavor, is balsamic vinegar.
We can get a room at the Breakwind for like $218. It's got a view, and it's got one of those big jacuzzis. And
so now all I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this fantastic strong sauce over the tempeh, and I'm going to let that simmer in there. This is a braise, and until it reduces down to kind of a thick, yummy, saucy
brew.
Breakwater, kind of a strange name, but that sounds fun. What other choice?
We could do an hourly rate on Aurora.
No.
Got it.
So just let that simmer in there, make the pot smile until it reduces down and you've got that kind of saucy sauce. Can we afford this?
I'm not going to worry about $218.
Yeah, me either. I'm not either. Okay, so the sauce reduced down and coated this fried tempeh so that it is heavenly with this thick sauce, almost a gravy. And I'm going to serve it with some seasoned rice and mango salsa. Yes, it's also really good with quinoa or Mediterranean quinoa salad, or what else? Oh, soba noodles. It's good with that. And we have videos for all of those things, including the mango salsa. So, yay!
Cynthia and Steve spending a night at the backwash. I don't want to hear about it. I wish I didn't know.